Hey guys, today I'm going to be making a French potager garden. It's very similar to an English cottage garden, but you know, it's more focused on the vegetables. So I'm making a kitchen garden. Let's go. I'm sanding this puppy down and it's going to become my garden shed. So for all the pots and everything. But right now I am sanding it down and then I'm going to weatherproof it. And it'll be a nice little pretty addition back there. But that is a different video. See, I'm right where the garden shed goes. Good morning guys, it's good to see you all.
I'm feeling good, I'm feeling great. Running out of town just to celebrate. The fortune's here to stay. A one-way ticket to a better day. A rocking chair and a glass of wine. In the shade of a tree and I'm feeling fine. There's not a lot to ask when life is going by so fast. One breath away.
So we literally have no idea where we are.
And then there's this thing.
It's a windy day. We've marked it out with the garden hose like you're supposed to, and now we're going to edge. We have some sand, we have some pebbles. This mess here is going to be a little graveled patio where I can sit all my planters and have herbs and pretty flowers. Once it's finished, it'll be really nice. Let's go get something to drink. Those were heavy.
And Charlie's.
I'm building a raised garden bed. You get some fence posts, you get these bricks. I'll show you the bricks in just a second. So the first step is to cut this little dog ear off. So we're gonna do that now. So Karen and I have taken some time to watch the yard to see where the sun shines the most, and it happens to be right here. So that is where my raised garden bed is gonna be. Okay, here are the bricks. They're literally made for this. It's just gonna slide down, obviously, in those little slots. Okay, now I gotta take one of these boards, well, 4 of these boards, and I gotta cut it in half. So let's find the halfway point.
Yeah, I don't think we're square. Cool. Now let's play. Let's put another block on top. Yeah, I know. We have to reset everything.
Come all you young rounders, a story I'll tell of the promise of heaven and the warning of hell. Take heed where you ramble,
Oh my
too
gosh.
soon you will. Well, I wanna take a ride in the wheelbarrow in your mind. Take me all around to the thinking places where you spend your time. Ain't no place I'd rather go. You're a funny little critter and I love you so. And I wanna take a ride in the wheelbarrow in your mind. I come and sit down with me in a rocking chair.
Y'all, that's it for this video. We got the raised beds all built and filled. Now I'll start planting my fruits and veg and pretty flowers and herbs. I'm attempting to build a kitchen garden in a romantic French potager style. I have so many exciting ideas and I cannot wait to see how it turns out. And of course, y'all, I'll keep you updated on the progress. Well, that's it for today. Thanks for watching. If you liked it, please give it a like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye, guys.